In this video, I would like to show you how to configure service endpoints in AppDynamics. In complex, large-scale applications, you may need metrics on specific services instead of metrics across an entire business transaction or entire tier. You can use service endpoints to obtain a performance metrics for your service, so you can focus on information important to you. Using service endpoints, you can define a set of entry points into your specific service to create a customized view in the AppDynamics UI and display key performance indicators, associated snapshots, and metrics that affect only those services. You can understand the performance of your service and quickly drill down to snapshots that affect your service instead of sifting through snapshots for the entire tier or business transaction. AppDynamics automatically detects service endpoints for Java applications, but you can also configure custom service endpoints for Java or .NET applications to monitor the performance of your services. To configure service endpoints, click on Configure in the Service Endpoints pane or open the Service Endpoints tab in the Instrumentation configuration. The Java agent automatically discovers service endpoints. You can configure the following settings. You can either enable or disable the detection rule. And for servlet service endpoints, you can modify the automatic naming. You can configure the automatic detection for your entire application. But you can also apply a configuration for a specific tier. In this case, we disable the automatic detection for the tier web API. Let's have a look now how to configure custom service endpoints. Change to the Custom Service Endpoints tab. First, you need to choose a tier in which a service runs and click the plus icon to create a new service endpoint configuration. Thereafter, you need to select the entry point type for this rule. In this case, we want to create a servlet entry point. We would like to track the performance of our checkout endpoint, and here we give it a name. In the rule configuration, we select the Request Match Criteria URI enter the path My Card Checkout and save the rule configuration. After some minutes, you should be able to see the new service endpoint in your list. In the next step, we want to split our service endpoint so that we have a separate service endpoint for each data center. We know that the requests hold this information in the HTTP header. To do this, we go back to our configuration. Here we use the split transaction feature. We select the header value, the data center. When the agent updated its configuration, you can see in the service endpoint list that we have a specific endpoint for each data center. You can see as well that we have no traffic anymore on the service endpoint we created in the first step. That's it about service endpoints. Thanks for watching.